Hey guys, this is us exploring all the features and cool stuff about the Nomade58, this adventure jacket, travel jacket that I got off of Kickstarter. It took 6 months from when I ordered it to when I got it. It's all up and available, and I believe you can get it on their website now. I'll look and see if I can find a link, maybe reach out and see if they'll give me a discount code, which would be amazing if I could give you guys a deal. So here's the jacket. In the other video, we went through all the pockets, so you can see where it is. In this one, I'm going to show you how the sling option works. So you can hook this on here, and this will carry it. I left the tags on, I haven't taken them off yet because I want to do the video first. But you put this on, sling it over your back. So if you have this thing all full of all your stuff, I'm going to try to not hit my mic, of all your stuff, and you need to be able to carry this while you're navigating luggage through the airport, it's all just going to sling like that over the side of you, and all your stuff is going to be together. You're not going to have your arms trying to hold it, whether you're carrying kids or carrying ski gear or carrying luggage or whatever you're doing. This makes it super nice and convenient. Or if you're up on a mountain and you're, say, biking or hiking, and you're like, okay, I just need to take this coat off, it's getting too hot, you can sling it over your back, you can keep biking, you can keep hiking, your hands are free to do whatever you need to do with your hands. So amazing. Love it. Okay, so now we're going to unclip our cool little strap. The other video we showed the strap a little bit more, but it has these really great little rings. See those? They're like super high quality D-rings. And if you have never seen a quick release type of cord, so this buckle has a quick release on it, so you can just easily snap it off. You could leave it hooked onto your bag or your jacket slash bag, and then you can pull it and make it tighter. So I can easily pull on that side and make it shorter or longer, depending on how that is hanging on your back, if you want it to go higher or lower. Okay, we're going to tuck that down there. Okay, here's our jacket. For context, this is made by MOW, which is minimal organized wear, and it says innovative functional gear redefined for everyday comfort. It's made of high quality sustainable fabrics and like super high quality processes, and like their attention to detail in this thing is amazing. Okay, so this is a black size medium. I'll put it on, and I'll see if I don't whack my mic on it. There you go. It's got these really great, let's put this on and zip it in so you can see it. And I know my pants are dark too, so it's kind of hard to see black on black, but there you go. And then not whack my mic, so I'm not going to go all the way up. But it's pretty cute little walkable jacket. It's got these great toggles on it, so you can easily pull on them, and it's got back and forth double ones, which I love. Because I love it when you try to sit like on a bike or in a car and your jacket like hits here and it's like pushing up weird. So I love the jackets that have the double zip, so you can hold them together. If it's really windy, you can do it just like that and get as much airflow as you can, but have your jacket not falling off of you while you're walking, which I really love. So I appreciate it when companies put in double zippers. I'm sure it's not too much more work for them, but it makes a huge difference for the end user, and I really, really am grateful for that. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is a medium in black, and I'm in love with it. Oh, it did say too, these cuffs, I didn't show you this on the other video, the cuffs pull out and they have thumb holes. So if it's cold and you need to suck your arms inside, you can. And I have kind of long arms, not like super long, but sometimes I'll get jackets and I'll put these on, and it feels like it pulls in my armpit, like it's so tight. I'm like, I can't use the armholes because the sleeves are too small. So I love that these ones, like my arms will go all the way out and I can feel like I can function and I can do all the things that I need, and I'm actually going to be able to use the thumb holes. They're not too small that it's like collapsing and hurting your hand. They're not too short that it's too hard, but they're also not too long that you have like this big old baggy bunch of fabric at the same time. So they took a lot of detail into that. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the hood. So this hood, it's hard to find a good hood too, because lots of times the hoods, like I have jackets and they'll be like back here, and I'm like, that's not helping. Like it keeps my ears kind of warm, but my glasses still get rained on and all the things. So I really love that this goes up and it has that little brim. So this will hopefully it's not too loud with this mic. I'm going to put it on here and see if that'll help. Set it on the table so I'm not wrestling it all the time. Okay, and so this, and then you can zip it all the way up, so it'll keep you nice and warm. And then it has these cool little thing where the zipper goes inside. It goes all the way up and it kind of protects it there. And then you can take this and you can cinch these down. So you can squeeze it real tight around your face if you're like in a blizzard or somewhere freezing. and that will be really great. And I love, like, it's so nice. My goodness. And then it has reflective stripes. Where's the reflective stripes? There you go. So there's reflective stripe there. I believe it's on the back. There's reflective stripes somewhere here that help if you are biking or something outside so that you'll be seen and you can be safe. Okay, I hope you got enough audio there. Unzip jacket. Oh, and it has these little tiny, like, arm vents too, to, like, so you'll be less stinky if it gets hot, which is nice. Okay. Okay, go to the next part of the series. I'll find the link and put it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see. We're going to take all the stuff. Let me pull you over here for a second. Show you my pile of stuff that I showed in the other video. Hope I gotta turn the camera over. It's not going to let me turn the camera over. We're going to do it this way. Okay, see this? This is all the stuff we're going to try to stick in this jacket and then see how it goes. Maybe I'll leave you on. I'm going to do another video. And I'll let you watch me put it all in, and then we'll do a video unpacking all the things that are inside.